How to record Roblox with OBS. So I already have OBS running. That is how I'm recording this screen, this entire process. Now the first thing is you can download OBS just like this. Once your OBS is downloaded, it's going to look just like this. Now what you need to do is make sure you have display capture. If you have display capture, whatever is running on your screen, it's going to record that. So right now I have Roblox running on my screen and you can see how it's recording it. So to achieve this, once you download OBS, you want to right click over here right on the source. You want to click on add, and over here you want to add this thing called the display capture. Once display capture is added, over here make sure scene is also added. You can right click on it, click on add, and you can add a scene. Okay, once you add a scene and inside that scene you add a display capture like this, you can just click on start recording and it'll start to record. If you click on this button again, it's going to stop recording, and in whichever location you have chosen this video to be saved, is going to be saved there. You can always click on this file icon and click on settings and change the settings of OBS according to your desire from inside here. Okay, so you can go on output and see where it's going to be saved, and you can click on video and know your video setting, and you can go on general and know the general setting over here as well. This is basically it. Subscribe to our channel.